Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I hope that you are having an amazing day. I came on just to give you guys a little heads up. Dollar Tree usually carries sometimes the pound scheme. Usually it's by Premier Yarns. I purchased two skeins of them before. I think last year sometime, it might have been 2 years ago, but anyway, I got some information last night, which was September 1st, 2025, Labor Day. And by the way, happy belated Labor Day to everyone. But I received information that Dollar Tree was going to be putting out the pound skeins on September 2nd, which is today. And they couldn't put them out before September 2nd, so they was going to start putting them out on September 2nd. So I did have to go out this morning, and I stopped to my Dollar Tree, and lo and behold, it was true. There were pounds of yarn there at my Dollar Tree. So I'll let you see what I actually picked up. I only picked up two skeins. There was three different colors, should I say. There was a off white color. This is the classic one value. Now this is not by Premier. This is Yarnspirations, Red Heart by Yarnspirations. This is the classic one on value. So I picked up the off-white, and I picked up the B color. I mean, not B. What am I thinking about? This is green pea. So green pea. Like your green peas. So yeah, this color, and also they had papaya. So I didn't get the papaya. I only picked up two because I'm like, this isn't enough. And this will be used for personal projects of course. I have some granny scrap projects that I want to do for myself, and I think that these two colors would be would be good together to do what I want. But it came in the plastic, just like this. So let me, I just want to open one of them just to feel it. So this is the pea. It feels pretty soft because as some of us know, Red Heart is usually like the yarn is really like rough in it. Sometimes it feel like it's burning on your hand, but this feels pretty soft. So yeah, these are $5. So I would say if you are into Red Heart and Yarnspirations, I would say go and check it out if you like this type of yarn. If you're used to crocheting with it, like I said, it is $5, and yeah, I think that's basically it. That's all I wanted to say. If your Dollar Tree don't have it out right now, I would say check back, just because they might have gotten their shipment but just haven't been able to put it out. Now they was not able or wasn't supposed to put it out until today, September 2nd, 2025. So yeah, that's basically it. That's all I wanted to come on and talk to you guys about. So I have some yarn that I'm actually not using, so I want to get rid of it. So I'm gonna probably put something in the description box letting you know what all I have, and if you're interested in it, you know, you can have it. You just have to get me your information so that I can actually ship it to you. Some of it is Dollar Tree yarn. Is the Just Chanel yarn I had purchased for to do scrunchies, but that market that I was actually going to do those scrunchies for, I'm not sure if that market would even, if it's still going to happen. So I'm trying to just kind of play it by ear to see if they're still going to have that market, because they actually are moving their location. So I'll come back and let you guys know what yarn I have, and if you're interested in it, hey, you can have it, because I don't think I will use it. So that's all I have to say. I pray that you have an amazing rest of your week, and that you just, I pray that you are blessed is what I want to say. So with that being said, I pray you have a good day, good rest of your week, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.